1, 2, a lot. Ugh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is taking forever. I'm never going to finish counting. Wow. What is that? Welcome aboard, Leo. To earn your ticket to the festival, you must learn the magic of numbers.
All aboard for the festival! The Numberland Festival at Castle 20!
But your journey starts with a single step. Learn the numbers to get your ticket.
How will we ever learn all those numbers? Let's go on an adventure! A colorful, happy ride!
One sun is shining bright. 2 cherries, what a sight. 3 butterflies fly free. 4 frogs for you and me. 5 keats are in the air. Numbers, numbers everywhere.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're almost there. It's a happy scene.
Now we're here at 20. We did it, you and I. Counting's fun, hooray, hooray! We learned the numbers today.